Wow, this is amazing building, guys. This is the famous opera house in Oslo, Norway. And I want to have a tour visit inside, guys. Today is May 18, 2022. So inside this opera house, guys, I noticed some of these stairs. There is a sign that means it's closed. I'm not allowed to go in this area. I think there is no program as of this moment because it's only in the afternoon. It's only afternoon. So maybe later in the evening, and I don't know actually what kind of program today in this famous opera house in the center of Oslo, Norway. And guys, this opera house, guy, is one of the famous in Oslo, Norway. So amazing inside. Look at this, guys. This looks like inside the opera house. So this is what I am talking about. The stairs going up. There is a sign that it's closed. So inside the opera house, there is some souvenirs that you can buy, and also and also I noticed also inside this opera house there is a very big huge restaurant in this inside. And also the design for this, look at this amazing design.
Oh my God!
Wooden wood. Unbelievable design, guys, inside this opera house in Oslo. So this is the restaurant that you can visit. Also, if you really want to eat something special, local dishes in Oslo, Norway, you can visit this opera house in Oslo, Norway, in the center of Norway, the new Norway, the new Norway look of this opera house. Update as of today is May 18, 2022. In this area, guys, I noticed also so many, I don't know what is what do we call this, and the wall. Look at, guys, the wall. It's amazing, and the design for these buildings, and I don't really know who designed this amazing opera house. This opera house, guys, is very famous. If you are in Oslo, if you have opportunity to visit this building, grab your opportunity, guys, because this is only once in a lifetime that you can come to Oslo, especially when you are crew members or a passenger. Don't miss this opportunity. So go further inside, guys. This is some I don't know what is this. Really, I don't know, but this is amazing. Look at this. Maybe if you have something, clothes or luggage or whatever, I believe this is the storage that you can place your personal belongings. Then and I am looking a toilet inside because I want to go to toilet, but I don't know exactly where is the location of toilet. So I just roaming around inside of this beautiful opera house just to check where is the exact location of the toilet. And I am looking for a toilet. In Oslo, guys, it's difficult, guys, for you to find a toilet. That's why I decide to have a tour inside this opera house, and at the same times I want to go to toilet. I think this is the toilet. Guys, this is the toilet, guys. I will check inside. Look at the toilet, guys. This is the design of the toilet, guys. Finally, this is the toilet. Look. So also I want to check the surrounding, the beautiful opera house, guys. Look at this, guys. This is the amazing views in this area, the opera house in Oslo, Norway. and vital information, very important information with regards to AIDAperla. Yeah guys, the AIDAperla, there is 4 days round trip tour in Oslo, Norway, which is started May 16 up to 20 from Hamburg to Oslo. So just 4 days round trip cruise in Oslo. And also, as you notice guys, this is also the beautiful AIDAbella, also in Oslo, Norway, as of May 18, 2022 guys. So this is the reason why so many cruise ship and passenger as well they want to visit the paradise, Oslo, Norway.
Napakagandang mag-sightseeing, mamasyal dito sa lugar na to guys. Kaya kung may pagkakataon na pwede kayong pumunta dito sa lugar na to, lalong lalo na doon sa mga seafarer, Pilipino seafarer, kung nandito kayo sa Norway, on board kayo sa isa sa barko o any cruise ship, on board kayo, huwag niyong sayangin na kayo ay mamasyal dito sa lugar na Norway, dahil itong lugar na to ay napakakilala na pasyalan. So makikita natin dito sa lugar na to, itong building na to, ito ay napaka-famous. So napaka-famous ng lugar na to. Ay, hili, hello, have a nice day, enjoy your okay guys. So look at this guys, ito yung sinasabi ko na pwede nyong pasyalan dito sa Norway. Napakaganda ng lugar na to, pwede kayong mamasyal dito sa lugar na to guys. Dito lang yan sa Oslo, Norway. Ang ganda na mamasyal dito, napakarami na mamasyal dito sa napakagandang building na to guys. Makikita nyo yung kanyang floor ay napakalaki. So yung design ng building ay napakaganda. So yan yung design guys, napakaganda. At dito makikita mo kung may barko naka-alongside, makikita mo napakaganda yung iyong view. So di kayo magsisisi kung nandito kayo sa Oslo, Norway. Punta na kayo dito sa napakagandang lugar na to.
And this is the entrance guys of Opera House. Look at this guys, this is the entrance. We have 2 entrance. I notice when you are on the other side we have also entrance, but this entrance I was inside already this Opera House. I just have a short walk tour inside this Opera House guys. Very beautiful inside guys, so very beautiful. AIDAperla is now in Oslo, Norway. Look at this guys. Welcome AIDAperla in Oslo, Norway.
and also AIDAperla, and also in Norway as of May 16, 2022. The beautiful place in Norway and Oslo. That's a beautiful place, guys, in this area.